Look no further than the 2020 Honda Accord. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. In life, there are many roads to take. Choose excellence. Drive the Honda Accord.